Oh, hey, how's it going? Are you from around here? Oh, do you love the neighborhood? Oh, where do you live? Condo or house? 1-bedroom apartment? Oh, you want to upsize? Oh, I'm a realtor. Here's my business card. Let's meet Monday at 7. Okay, bye.
Where is she? Oh,
Hey, I'm here, Kim. Sorry, I was just at Starbucks trying to book some appointments. Hey guys, we're so glad you joined us. I'm Hina.
and I'm Kim from Mirage Real Estate at Remax Hallmark, and today we'd like to welcome you to paradise.
Are you ready for the ultimate blend of luxury, comfort, and breathtaking natural beauty? Step right into the spotlight as we unveil a true gem in the heart of Rolling Acres. I'd love to introduce you guys to 18 Paradise Way.
Introducing this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story townhome that will sweep you off your feet. Prepare to be captivated with its spacious layout, lavish amenities, and Ravine Lot that offers a serene escape from the everyday hustle and bustle.